Food and Beverage Expo.
Hi, myself Nilesh Shinde, President, Wardwizard Foods and Beverages Limited. Our company, Wardwizard Foods and Beverages Limited, is a limited company. We are leading manufacturers of a whole range of RTE products like vegetable biryani, dal makhni, then ready to eat paneer butter masala with us. Along with that, we also have sauces and squeezy bottle in our basket. So we are manufacturing RTE products and frozen products also. We have total 200 plus products in our basket. Our company have two plants. One plant is in Pune and another plant is in Gujarat, Vadodara. We actually produces sauces and condiments, and we do a business in 12 states of India. I would like to thank organizer for giving such a wonderful opportunity to promote our products in South Indian markets. Our focus is mainly on HoReCa business, and along with that, we are going to launch our most of the products in the retail market. For that, this Chennai Expo would give us a good opportunity to market our products in the South Indian market. Thank you.
Food and Beverage Expo, 21st, 22nd and 23rd June, 2023 Manpo Convention Center, Bengaluru.